Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram when your emojis are not showing up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your app is updated. So let's head over to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you're going to type Instagram in the top search bar. To the right of Instagram, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an app update. So go ahead and update your app. Now, if that doesn't work, we're going to go ahead and play around with the location settings. So let's go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose Instagram, and then choose location, the first option. And you're just going to toggle on and off the precise location and then play around with these. And then always make sure it ends on while using the app. This fixes a bug in the app, and a lot of people have reported that it worked for them. Now, if updating and playing around with the location services doesn't work for you, I'm going to suggest to report the problem to Instagram. So let's head to the app. Once you're in Instagram, go to the bottom right-hand corner and choose your profile photo. Go to the upper right-hand corner and choose those three lines. From here, you're going to choose Settings, and then from here, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page and choose Help. Click on Report a Problem, and then choose Something Isn't Working. And then I'm just going to say Emojis not showing up, and press Send. Now, hopefully Instagram gets back to you with a solution. I hope one of these things helped you. If they did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.